Bianca is 13 and today's video is going to be a clean of me video. Okay, so without further ado, make sure to subscribe down below by hitting the red subscribe rectangular button and hit the little post notifications bell button right next to it so that we will get notified every time I upload, and give this video a huge thumbs up. So your grandma, my mom, she gave me this video idea a long time ago. I was like, what should I film today? And today's cleaning day. You know how that is. So then I'm like, I'm on break. Let me film a couple of videos. So here I am. So that's probably why you're like, why are you wearing the same shirt from the last video? That's why. So yeah. So it's like like filming day. I think I'm gonna start off first by cleaning like the bottom part of my room. Like look, like the floor part. Because that's like the first thing, just in case like my mom tells me, oh, I'm gonna come in and broom, like it's already like clean down there, you know what I mean? And then we'll come up here, and yeah, this is like my first video. I know that people do a couple of them like almost every time they like remodel their room. I haven't really done much to my room to like do an updated room tour. Just add like one or two more things, that's it. But yeah, let's just continue on with the cleaning because my mom's gonna get mad. She's gonna be like, you're not done cleaning. Ah! Okay, here's a little overview of like my bedroom floor. Okay, step 1, throw out trash. So now I'm just gonna pick up my shoes, and what I do is, oh my god, this is gonna be so hard to film. Wait, thighs work for me. Okay, my phone is literally being held by my thighs. I slap my shoes like this, because since they have like all that dirt from the floor, I try to like tap off as much like dirt from the bottom, because I put my shoes right here, and I also have like a little carpet here, so that way the dirt doesn't go on my clothes right here. Okay, so now time to pick those papers up. This box, it was a Christmas gift from my neighbor, and I have no clue what I am going to do with these cute little nail polishes because I literally have no room, and I'm waiting for my bookshelf to be installed. And that little box that says sprinkles, that's where I keep my nail polishes, but it's kind of full. So like I'm just gonna put my favorite nail polishes in the sprinkles box, and then like in my vanity, in one of these boxes, I'm just gonna put the rest of the nail polishes that I don't like as much. Okay, so now we got all of this to clean. Okay, so I'm reading this book right now, so that book is staying here. Okay, this is for my unboxing. Stay right here. This usually stays right here. I have to put this in my jewelry box. These things could go behind right here. Okay. See right there. They go right there. My lip glosses, I have to put them in my backpack. A pen, it's always necessary. This is my receipt from my diamond status thingy, so this is just gonna go in there. And then right here. And we are done because I already dusted this off 2-3 days ago, so we are good to go on my vanity. Next up is all of this. Gotta fix that part, and well, this part, it's pretty much fixed, and like I understand I have a lot of newspapers here that I have to read. So this is already how I want it organized, since this has like a tea stain because I drink tea at night. What I'm gonna do with the stain, I always like clean my stuff off, like when I'm dusting off I just use my normal pocket back hand sanitizers to kill germs. And then I'm gonna squirt that piece. Oh man, it landed on my newspaper. I'm just gonna wipe away. She is clean. This is already clean, like I never touch it, so yeah.
Check out the room tour video I posted so you can see my full room. Just hit the eye on the top right hand corner.
So I am done. Look, you see? Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. Featuring the broom and featuring the camera. Bye, MERMAYNICORN. God bless you. See you very soon if God permits.
One day when I came home at lunchtime, I a funny noise. Went out to the backyard to find out if we was one of those ratty boys. Stood there with my neighbor, called Peter, in a flux capacitor. He told me he built a time machine like one